Hey everybody, we're the Nerds, and we're here today in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're at the Hampton Inn Historic Nature Trail location. It's on the way to the Roaring Fork Nature Motor Trail, and it's also just off the Gatlinburg Strip, so it's a really great location here. Our first time staying at this hotel. We have a king balcony room, so we're going to head inside, check out the hotel, and check out the room. Coming into the front lobby, you have the snacks over there, you have the front desk check-in right over there, you have a nice seating area right over here, you have a TV right here, another seating area right here with tons of plugs. You can work with your computers if you want to. There's USB plugs and power plugs there. And the breakfast area is straight ahead. And then over here they have the 24-hour coffee, so dark roast, light roast, hot water, and all the things you need there, creamers and everything for it. And it is a free complimentary breakfast from 6 to 10 a.m. And they do have free water over here as well. Room 228, kind of come on this corner here. So you're all set from the main hallway. There's no one else back here. And so it's really nice. Nice and private. Room 228, king room with a balcony. And first thing you notice is the smell. It smells fantastic in here. Really good the smell. And right as you come in, you got a nice little foyer space right over here. And then I'll take you right to the bathroom real quick, spin you around. And then, hey everybody, nice mirror right there too. And this has got that door that slides right here. So once you slide it open, on this side here, you have the iron board and your laundry bag. And then coming in the bathroom here, you got the mirror, all your towels, plenty of counter space there, sink, everything. They made the Kleenexes into a little rows. There's your amenities here. And Steph was looking at these amenities. There's your shower cap. They also have the sewing kit right there for you as well, plus the makeup removers. You don't see the sewing kit very often. Coming over here, got your hair dryer right there. Have your shower, super clean shower. Plenty of space in there. Looks like a brand new shower head there. Amenities right there. And then over here, just your standard toilet right here. With a little flower there. So I'll turn back around this way. Hello again. I always like saying hello in the mirror. Oh, I saw Stephanie hand. Hey, Stephanie. Oh, bless you. Stephanie's holding that in. So this is the main room right here. It's off to the right. Here's all of our stuff. You have a little chair here, a little desk, plenty of room right there. Get your ice bucket, a little Gatlinburg magazine there. There's all your coffee, everything that you need for coffee. They do have 2 plugs and a USB right there. You got your lamp here with 2 more plugs right there and your mirror. And then you may have seen this. This is our little stickers right here. If anybody ever needs a sticker, let us know. We'll send one your way. And so I'm going to hand this back off to Steph. And back to the main room. One thing I like about this a lot is it's hot outside right now. So they had the AC cut down really low for us already when we walked in. Small touch, but it means a lot. Second thing is every light was cut on. I love that. You can easily see how clean it is. All your lights are cut on, especially if you come in nighttime. You know, trying to fumble and find things. A lot of times hotels will have one light on or none. Literally every light possibly could be cut on is cut on. And look at the space.
You have room to dance.
I know, a little dancing. Like, you know, we do a lot of suites and things like that, but this is just your standard king room. The only thing we added on was the balcony for a little more money to have a balcony access. But otherwise, this is how big a standard king room is. There's plenty of space in here. King size bed over on the left-hand side there. You have your lamp. There's USB and plug on the lamp. And
I
then
like these.
plugs and USB on the wall behind it. Oh, yeah, that's cool. There's the Mingus Trail. I've never heard of the Mountains to Sea Trail. That sounds 26.7 miles. But I like that Great Smoky Mountain sign.
Me too.
Oh, look at the Tennessee. It's actually a tree trunk.
Yeah, it's a tree trunk.
That's awesome. And the leaf with that. That's really pretty. Nice size king bed. Everything's nice and clean. You know, we do our mattress check every time. Take it off. It's got the full encased zipper on there, which is nice. This side, the same thing as the other side with your lamp here. You have 2 plugs and a USB, your phone. You have a little clock here as well. And then You got like a little lounge seat right here. Have a little place if you want to eat your breakfast or food on if you want to. And the air conditioner is right here. It's really nice too. Blows on you ice cold. And over here, you got two little ottomans you can sit on and put your shoes on. If you had kids and you sit in there, whatever you need to do, you can sit there. Cool artwork. It looks like one of the little cabins in the Smoky Mountain Parks. Cades Cove has a couple empty cabins. And a couple of the trails do too. That's pretty cool.
Elkmont.
Yeah, Elkmont maybe. Yeah, on this side here, you get your TV. There's two plugs and a USB over here. So plenty of connectivity. Huge TV for a hotel.
Oh, you have a microwave?
Microwave. And then fridge that opens somehow. There we go. Fridge, very clean inside.
Very clean.
And then the other side here, you just probably have storage. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Storage. Well, your racks will slide out if you want to. That's nice. And then out to the balcony. So there's a little bit of construction going on right behind the hotel. So we'll take you out here and we'll show you the balcony. So this is the balcony view over here. We are on the second floor. So the hotel, the check-in lobby is actually on the second floor as well. So if you stay on the second floor, you have no stairs or elevator, just right into your room. This is a little awning there. There's a fire pit down there somewhere. Some sitting, I think the pool's down on the first floor too. You have a little creek out here. That hotel right there is going to be awesome. It's the Embassy Suites. From my understanding, should open at the beginning of next year sometime. So we'll definitely be staying at the Embassy Suites. And then over here, you have two chairs and a table. It's that little plastic material, which is really nice too. So it doesn't really get too hot or anything. And then looking back in the room, there's Steph. Here's a look at the exercise rooms. Got TVs on the wall in here, free weights, just about everything you would need here. Treadmills, another TV there. They got the water machine there for you, and fresh towels right there. Here's a look at the indoor pool area here. Nice size indoor pool. You got plenty of towels over there. You got plenty of places to sit all around. There's the 4.5 feet deep. But overall, nice indoor pool in there. Coming outside the indoor pool, you have a nice patio out here. So you got nice TV right there. Just over here, you got multiple chairs, another TV right there. Also ceiling fans. You got a couple chairs here, so you can watch the TV behind us. Also have more chairs over here. And then over here, you have the hot tub. This is a nice size hot tub. You can just see the steam rolling off. And there's the indoor pool. Feels great under here too. A little bit of breeze. You can hear the stream coming down right there behind us. There's a fire pit right there and some chairs. So it's just a really nice area with the stream, the fire pit, the chairs, the loungers, nice size hot tub. Just a really nice area back here. I love all the TVs and ceiling fans up above. So you can really come out here and just relax. Really make it a day by the pool, by the creek, by the fire pit, and by the hot tub. And good morning, everybody. It is checkout day at the Hampton Inn here on Historic Nature Trail. Great stay overall. Bed was comfortable, hotel was clean. We did not try the breakfast, so can't comment on the breakfast, but it did seem like the typical Hampton Inn breakfast. We did get some coffee up there. But all in all, another great stay. Another great Hampton Inn. Location is great. Just to walk down that way to the Gatlinburg Strip. The opposite direction is the Roaring Fork Historic Motor Nature Trail. We drove to that, saw some bears in there, so that was pretty cool. I always love seeing the bears. It's been a little while since we've seen them, probably about a year at least since we've seen bears up here. Yeah, I just recommend this hotel. This time of the year was about $250-ish a night for the king balcony room. We're staying the weekend after July 4th. So it's about a price range for, I guess, summertime-ish. Yeah, again, great location, great hotel. So check it out. Appreciate you watching, and the nerds are out.